Guys, welcome back to another Roughtown Raptors. So what have we got in this time? It's another crafter. Another crafter for Raptor. Can you guess what colour it's got? Well, if you said black, you're wrong. Well, you're kind of half wrong. It's going half grey, and then this couple who's dropped it off, they like to be a bit different. So instead of having the plastics in black, but we're also having the bottom in black. It's basically going graphite grey to there, and then black. So it should look quite nice. Well, it will look nice. What am I saying? It shouldn't do. It should. It will. As you can see, this side is the worst. Well, you haven't seen the other side yet, but this side is the worst. If you look, it's absolutely rippled down them doors. Nothing unusual. Got to get all the decals off. A few dents in the back doors. And you can see this side, just a couple of little ripples there in it. Like one at the bottom as well. Not too bad. Bits of rust all round. Usual places. Pretty bad on the corrosion there as well. Yeah. But other than that, not too bad. Big dent there. And a big one on the wing. Front, nice and tidy. A few little stone chips up top. Nothing unusual there. But yeah, as you can see, this side is the worst. You got like a nice big dent there, and then you can see there it's actually creased the sill and everything. So there's going to be a fair bit of pulling to do there. And then a couple of dents there. Load of rust. Nice bit of moss growing there. Some rust there. And as you can see, yeah. So all in all, not too bad. Got my work cut out on them dents, but other than that, pretty straightforward. And having inside the doors done as well, because some people do, some people don't. Depends on your budget, how much you want to spend. But yeah, so the first job, normally I go around and circle all the dents. Bit of a change this time. I'm going to go around and strip everything off first, and then we'll go around and circle all the dents. So I need to get all the plastics off the bumpers, wing mirrors, and the solar panels. Right, let's crack on. Right guys, as you can see, van's all stripped down, all the panels are off, solar panels are off, so it gives you a better idea of what you're working with. All the front ends off, I'll just show you that. As you can see, all the front ends gone. Got rid of the bonnet bra. Now we need to go around and highlight any dents we can see that aren't obvious. So let's go around and mark it up. As I've said previously, I go along and mark it up initially. I can guarantee you, as I'm going along, that there'll be others that I find. It's like the Peugeot I've just finished, the Boxer, which incidentally looks absolutely amazing. The amount of dents I came across on that, them panels are just so soft, they just dent so easy. Great panels because they're galvanised and they don't rot like these babies. Hence the corrosion. Wouldn't get that on a Peugeot Boxer. But these are thicker panels. And so we've got the rust. Around there, there's a dent there as well. See another one? See, you have to keep playing with the angles. So when I look from that way, downwards, you can't see it, but when you look this way upwards, you can see it. Like you can see, obviously, they always seem to have one there where people shove the doors shut instead of just sliding them properly. Don't know how I missed that one. Right, so that's the initial walk round. Obviously I will find more, so See you shortly. As you can see, been doing a bit of panel beating. So I've managed to pull all the dents out at the bottom, straightened it all out, bit of filler. Not looking too bad now, is it? Yeah, I'm actually really happy with the way that's come out. You'll never know. Anyway, so we've had the first skim of filler in. So I need to put the second skim of filler in now, and then go around and grind all the rust, and then I can treat it. So that's the next job. I think we'll grind the rust first, treat that, and then I'll chuck the second skim in the bits I've already done. So that's the plan. There you go, guys, all ground out. As you can see, this was quite bad. It's getting quite deep actually, a little bit more there I need to do. Crack on with that in a minute. Let me give you a tip though, right? If you're just starting your van build and you notice, if you've got one of these, you're going to notice rust somewhere, no offence. But if you notice the rust there, before you start your van build, take the runner off and get behind it. As it is now, let me show you. So basically this runner has a star drive bolt behind there, which you can get to. And then it's got maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 or 13 milli bolts holding it, but they're bolted from behind inside. So, like this chap, if you happen to have carpet lined it and built all your units in, as you can see, the runner is in line with all the units. So basically, to get to where I need to, I'd have to strip his units out, which I'm not doing. So I'm just going to get in. I've got in as far as I can, so that's the best I can do really. But yeah, basically it's got like the star drive there, and then a series of 13, 14, I think the 10 mil actually. Basically it's got a series of 10 milli bolts. So if you can, before you start your build, sort the rust out behind the runner first, because it's inevitable. You're going to end up casing it all in and you'll never be able to get to it without ripping your entire build out. Bit of a top tip there for you. Right guys, as you can see, all in primer. We've been busy, bodywork's all sorted. Took a while, but sometimes they do. 90% prep, 10% paint, that's what we always say. So what we need to do now is do the black, because it's going black up to there, it's that line. So we'll do the black, and then once the black's dry, we can mask all the black up. I'm not doing black up to there on the inside, because, I don't know, I just don't think it'd look right. So I'm just doing black on the outside, and then the inside will just be the colour. So what we'll do is we'll do the black, and then we'll mask the black, and then we can do the colour. So next job, black. Actually, I forgot to add also, we're doing all the plastic bits in black. So you know, like the caps for the water, for the electric, stuff like that. And we're doing the uni-strut that's on top for holding down the solar panels. Then we'll all be black Raptor. Now the awning rail he never actually mentioned, that's in aluminium. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to satin black that, because if we Raptor it and the Raptor gets inside the awning rail, he ain't going to slide his awning very well, is he? So we'll do the awning rail in satin, then I'll mask that up as well. So nice and simple, he says. There you go guys, as you can see the black is done all the way around. Now I was originally going to do inside the door shuts next. I was going to mask it off and do inside the door shuts. Change of plan, I'm going the opposite way. I'm going to mask it off and then do the outside. mask off the little caps and everything, and then I'm going to do inside the door shuts last. Don't know why, just fancy doing it the opposite way around. So next job, get it inside and get the driver's door masked up, because I can't mask the driver's door until I've got it inside, can I? Because I can't drive it otherwise. So get it inside, get the driver's door masked up, and then we can do the outside. Why did I not film me doing the black? Because I forgot to turn the camera on. Hey. Anyway, right, so let's get it inside and get it painted. You can see the oil inside the door is done, all the bottom's masked up. So now we're going to hit it properly, all the outside. I'm actually loving this colour, really nice, isn't it? Anyway, let's crack on and do the full thing. It's going to look awesome. Right guys, as you can see, another one finished. Now I've been having some GoPro issues, so there's not much of the painting footage, unfortunately, because my GoPro's been a twat. Anyway, excuse the French. Why do we say excuse the French? No idea. Anyway, well, there you go guys, another one done, another one finished. I've had to bring it back to do the end shot because my camera messed up, unfortunately. So, hence the reason why it's a little bit mucky at the bottom. It's been out driving, but it's pretty cool, isn't it? Looks a damn sight better than when it came in. This is graphite grey. I keep saying gunmetal grey and it's not. It's actually graphite grey. Not sure if you can see it properly there with the sun. Sun's playing right nightmare because it's been raining as well. It's sort of like reflecting on the rain. It's doing my head in. Anyway, pretty cool, isn't it? Right, thanks for watching guys. Hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. See you later. Stay safe out there. Stay entertained. Adios.